Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the freighter Algoma Niagra. We're going to follow the Algoma Niagra as she goes down the water, trying to wave at her to give her a horn honk, but we'll see what happens. Following the Algoma Niagra, she goes down the water to her destination. I apologize for the shaky video. The Algoma Niagra, and she looks like she's unloaded. Doesn't look very down in the water. We're following the Algoma Niagra as far as I can. She's honking. Hopefully we caught that and we could hear it. Zoom in a little bit on the Algoma Niagra as she sails down the water. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye and enjoy the